In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pre-order button in Shopify. We'll start right in your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, then head to your dashboard. From there, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Type apps and open the apps section. This is where we'll access the tool that powers the pre-order button. Inside apps, open the area for recommended apps and continue to the Shopify App Store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search field and type easy pre-order and back in stock. This app is designed to display a pre-order button on your product pages, and it works with most themes out of the box. Click to install the app. Shopify will prompt you to approve permissions so the app can add the pre-order interface to your storefront. Confirm and proceed through the install screens until it's fully added to your store. After installation, the app will guide you to enable its theme embed. This is important because it tells your theme where and how to display the pre-order button. Open the theme editor when prompted, turn on the app embed, and then save your changes. If you have more than one theme, be sure you're editing the current live theme. Saving here ensures the button can actually appear on your product pages. Now go back to the app. Choose the option to add products to the pre-order list. Click Add Products, then select the exact product or products you want to make available for pre-order. This can be a single item or multiple variants, depending on your launch plan. When you're done selecting, click Save. The app will apply its default settings and button text to those products. You can customize the wording, colors, and messages later inside the app's settings if you want to match your brand voice or add shipping timeframes. To confirm everything is working, view your online store. Navigate to the product you just enabled. You should now see the pre-order button on the product page. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or check that you saved the theme editor after enabling the app embed. Also verify you selected the correct product and that the app is active. That's it. You've installed the app, enabled the embed, added products to the pre-order list, saved your changes, and verified the button on your storefront. This setup lets you capture demand before stock arrives and clearly communicate availability to your customers.